So the plan is to get the motor started this weekend, but if we want to do that, we got to wrap up a couple things. So tonight, I'm going to be installing my radiator hoses, and cooling fan. Okay, so first we're going to be doing my radiator hoses. I wasn't able to find one-piece hoses for either of these guys, so I had to cut some up and make my own. This one is this part number all cut up, and this one is that part number all cut up, but it works well. This comes just a 90. This is like a reducer and a 45 going down. This one's kind of like a 90. This one's just like a little bit of a bend. And so we're going to be joining all the hoses with the Gates Power Grip hose clamps because they look real clean. So I got two of these heat shrink hose clamps, and it looks like this one will definitely fit on the upper, but it looks a little bit too small for my lower hose. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't, I won't be too mad because this one's kind of covered by the whole intake pipe anyways, so it's not a very visible area. So when I was running an M50 Swap E30, I think I was running a 12-inch fan, but I figured with the bigger motor, I'd put in a bigger fan. So right now I'm running a 14, and it's pretty tight. I think if you wanted to, you could probably run a 16. Alright, so if my wiring is correct, when I ground out the fan relay, you should hear the fan turn on, and that would be a good thing. Oh yeah! This is also a really good time to make sure that I set up the fan properly in the puller. So I'm gonna rig it up. Let's see what happens. So today we're doing coolant, engine oil, power steering fluid, and priming the fuel system. Also, my intake pipe is done at the powder coaters, so we can go pick up that guy too. Oh, I am so excited to open these guys up and see how they look. Oh yeah, that is really nice. Damn. Ooh yeah. Alright, and the last thing I gotta do is just make a little bracket that bolts the rad here, and the other side holds onto the intake just so it doesn't wobble around at all. But I'm gonna do that later. For now, we're just gonna start throwing the fluids into the engine. I'm just kind of using some random oil that I found around the shop because we're gonna be changing the oil on it real soon. Clayton, what fluid next?
Do your coolant.
Coolant, okay. No drips, so now we're moving on to power steering fluid. Oh god. What do you call a jerry can that doesn't work?
What?
A jerry can't.
Okay, I'm leaving now.
So I'm gonna fill the fuel tank a little bit, turn on the fuel pump, and hopefully we don't have any leaks. No leaks. So today is the day it's time to start up the E30. Everything is ready to go on the car. Let's see how this thing sounds.
Oh, shit.
It sounds
That's
really
fucking
nice.
crazy. Jesus.
So that is it for episode 3, guys. I'm really excited to hear this thing running finally. But right now it's not running too nicely because the O2 sensors was hanging underneath the car. It's running very, very rich. So next episode, we'll put the exhaust in it, we'll put the drive shaft in it, and maybe we can start driving it around. That'd be real nice.